Welcome to our garden. It's quite steep, so I'm being careful not to slip over. Good morning!
Good morning! Today we're off to Painswick to our secret garden and we're going to have a picnic.
Yes, and we've brought little Monty with us too. So we're going to take you with us and we're going to go and get some grub. You be a good boy. What else do you want on your picnic?
Sunshine.
Sunshine? Okay. What about nibbles?
Sandwich.
Sandwich? What do you guys like on a picnic? Comment down below. We've got some sushi, got some peanuts, some cashews. We've got these are really nice, these lentil bites. We've got some other sandwiches, some lemon cheesecakes, wraps, cider. Ago, I think it was last autumn or the beginning of the winter, wasn't it? We came to Painswick and we did a video vlogging all about going around the churchyard and around the village, and we are actually coming to this same place again today to find our secret spot. So take a look through the high street. If you guys haven't seen that video, I will link it up here. Going to change my shoes as well because it's a trek up. And then what we've got is a stake, which is like this, which we drive into the ground, and then we bought some extra bungee cords so that Monty can be safe when he's with us, but we don't have to worry about him wandering off. So it's a great little thing. Also, we always bring his collapsible bowl and water bottle, and these are the ocean bottle. I'll link it down below. They are fantastic at keeping your drinks cool. It's not sponsored, I just absolutely love it. We had these on the beach with us all day and it was so icy and cold inside, and also it keeps your drinks hot as well, doesn't it? You love these water bottles, don't you?
They're brilliant. Yeah.
Take the top off and just drink it like this, but then you can also take off the middle section and you've got a cap and a loophole. Some of the money goes towards cleaning up the oceans, and it's also made from recycled materials. And also the most interesting thing is it has a scan code underneath, so you can get your phone and you can scan your water bottle and it will tell you all of the information about ocean bottle. How beautiful is that space? Welcome to our garden. on, being careful not to slip over. And that's exactly what I've just done. Oh dear. Right, okay, let's get up and try again. As I was saying, it's a bit slippy. By the way, this is my little hamper. So if you're interested in a hamper, I will link it down below. It's from Amazon and it's brilliant.
Last bit of aircon, can't beat it on a hot day. Makes all that grief worthwhile. Good old Mary.
Yeah, it's so much cooler.
At the end of the day, that's why I bought this van, because it's got aircon.
Yeah, so when we get a next van, aircon it is.